Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be making ceviche by myself for the first time. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is peel my shrimp. I get this from HEB. I think it's like live caught shrimp. They're frozen shrimp and they look like this. And I usually just peel them and then throw them into the container. Yes, sir. So the next thing I'm going to do is cut the tilapia. I got a pound of tilapia. Look at this bad boy. This thing. Sheesh. So the shrimp is cut up and then I have the tilapia here. Okay, so now that the shrimp and tilapia are cut up, I'm gonna start cutting like the vegetables and stuff. I'm gonna start with my tomatoes. And before everyone comes for me, yo, I'm ninja cooking, so I don't know how to cut these shit. So I bought this shit online and I'm gonna use a little tool and I'm just gonna dice them hoes through this. So before everyone comes for me and being like, wow, you're grown and you don't know how to fucking cut vegetables, I don't. And you know, look how easy this shit is, look. Bam. So quick, so easy. I don't gotta spend all damn day chopping shit. See, now that my tomatoes are all diced up, put them in here. I'm gonna do the same with my onion. Yo, this shit has me crying. And I swear it's not about my ex. God, I miss him. Just kidding. Just pour them in there. I swear this shit saves so much time, but I'm still crying from these fucking onions. Yo, I just don't understand. It's like, no, but for real, it's onions. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add the cucumbers. I should call him. I've never cut cilantro before, and I don't know how to. Fuck, how the fuck you do this shit? We're almost done. Now I'm gonna add in this jalapeno. So you're supposed to take out most of the seeds, right? Cause I ain't trying to have this shit so spicy. So this is how everything looks so far. All I'm gonna do now is mix it. I low-key like feel proud of myself because I've never done this like all by myself before. Now all I need to do is add all the limes, put some salt and shit and all that, and then I think I should be good to go. All right, so my mom told me to add these little leaves in there. I have no idea why. They're bay leaves. I think, oh shit, I think they give them like flavor. And add a few more salt, lightly. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna let it soak now and like, you know, let the lemon do its thing. And then I'm gonna do a taste test whenever it's all done. So this is how it ended up looking. I'll let you guys know how it tastes whenever it's done. All right, y'all, so today's the next day. I ended up going out last night and I got like too lit. And then I remembered that I still had some ceviche and I needed to do my taste test. So let's see, add a bit of Valentina and let's try it. Perfect. Let me know what you guys think. If you like my little recipe, if you like the way I did it, if you guys think I should have added something or taken out something or made any little bit of changes, let me know what you guys think.